What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today we've got a Timex to unbox, and this is a Timex Ironman. I think this is the Marathon edition. Now I have one similar. In fact, I think they're almost the same, but this has a different colorway, different screen. So yeah, should look similar to this. So without further ado, as much as I love this watch, I'm excited to see what's in here. In terms of the color, if anything. So, got this on clearance. So, that's why I went and bought it. And yeah, it looks very similar to the one I already have. And that's not a bad thing at all, honestly. You guys know I collect watches just for, not just for the channel, but just because I am an addict to watch collecting. So, yeah, very hard to see screen. Let me see what the Indiglo does. Doesn't do much in this bright light box, but they are a little different. They're mostly the same, but there are little differences here and there. Obviously, the color is different. Screen is different. Printing is a little different. So, without further ado, let's try this thing on. Definitely like the way it looks. That was the appeal, and also the fact that it was on clearance. There we go. Very nice. I did not set the time yet, but yeah, very nice. I probably have it on a notch too tight. That's okay. As you can see, the buckle is different from the one I already have, just slightly. But very nice. We'll definitely enjoy adding it to my collection. Real quick before I go, though, let's take a look at the Lume, or the Indiglo, I should say. Trademark, right? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, very nice, easy to see. Love the color. So yeah, it'll be nice to have to my collection. So quick video, really not much to it. As I've done a video on this one already, so I won't bother setting it or any of that stuff right now. Alright, there it is set. Not perfectly set, but close enough. As you can see, they're basically the same watch, just one's a blue and silver colorway, the other one's the default dark gray and gray colorway with the positive screen, whereas the blue one has a negative screen. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. And I'll see you all in the next video. I will link this below if you're interested. So it may be on sale on Amazon still. Who knows? Take care. See you on the next one. Peace.